Former President Donald Trump was acquitted again during his second impeachment trial on Saturday. While Trump may not face any charges in the Senate, he could face criminal charges. Trump faced impeachment charges after Democrats and some Republicans accused him of inciting the Jan. 6 Capitol riot. Despite avoiding a conviction, Trump's legal challenges are President Trump is still liable for everything he did while he was in office, as an ordinary citizen, unless the statute of limitations has run, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said Saturday, according to the "he didn't get away with anything yet." The Attorney General for Washington, D.C., Karl Racine, said district prosecutors were considering whether to levy charges that Trump's statements motivated people to commit violence. According to the "Let it be known that the Office of Attorney General has a potential charge that it may utilize," Racine said, according to Washington, D.C., January 6. Thousands of Donald Trump supporters gather outside the U.S. Capitol building following a Stop the Steal rally on January 6, 2021 in Washington, D.C. Spencer Platt / Getty Images, acting U.S. Attorney in D.C. told reporters that he's looking into all actors, according "I don't want to sound like a broken record. We're looking at all actors here. Anyone who had a role in where the evidence fits a crime," he continued. According to the Racine said the charge is a misdemeanor and carries a maximum sentence of 6 months in jail, according to the AP. Fulton County, Georgia prosecutors Wednesday that they were any and all attempts that were made to influence Georgia's Democratic District Attorney Fani Willis sent 8 state government officials, including Secretary of State Raffensperger, requesting they preserve any documents in regards to an investigation into attempts to influence the administration of the 2020 Georgia general election, according to which obtained. While it does not explicitly mention Trump by name, the notes that contacts were made by subjects of the investigation with other agencies that could be this matter, including the Secretary of State, the Attorney General and the United States Attorney's Office for the Northern District of Georgia. The investigation is looking into potential violations of Georgia law prohibiting the solicitation of election fraud, conspiracy and any involvement in violence or threats related to the elections administration. During a January 2 phone call, to find 11,780 votes, according to audio. Biden won the state with 11,799 votes. Raffensperger's office also opened an investigation in Trump's efforts to allegedly overturn the election. Trump is also under investigation in New York, where Manhattan's district attorneys whether the Trump organization violated state laws and committed insurance fraud, tax fraud or other schemes to defraud, according to prosecutors are waiting to see if the Supreme Court will continue to delay the enforcement of a subpoena of Trump's personal and business tax returns and records from his accounting firm, according to State Attorney General Letitia James is also whether Trump and the Trump Organization inflated the value of Trump's assets to get favorable loans and insurance coverage while deflating other assets to reduce real estate. While Trump may have skated by an impeachment conviction, it remains unseen whether he will face and be found guilty of other charges. The ultimate accountability is through our criminal justice system, where political passions are checked and due process is constitutionally mandated, Republican Tom Tillis said after he voted to acquit Trump because he said impeachment was not the right avenue to take for accountability. According to the "No president is above the law or immune from criminal prosecution," and that includes former President Trump.